SolidWorks, the program that we all know and love. Even a brief search for those who are not familiar with it will quickly reveal SolidWorks has the largest market share of any parametric platform. So why might it be going away forever? Everything I say in this video is strictly my opinion, of course. With that, this is the writing on the wall I'm starting to see. The kernel of a CAD system is the computational engine that drives it. SolidWorks is PARASOLID. CATIA is V5 or V6, Fusion 360 is Shape Manager, Creo is Granite. The kernel of NX is PARASOLID. It turns out the owner of the PARASOLID kernel is Siemens, or Siemens if you're a European. Dassault leases the rights to use the PARASOLID kernel for SolidWorks from Siemens. Even with their market share, the lease on the kernel is probably cutting into the profits of SolidWorks hand over fist. Dassault does own the V5 or V6 kernel. Why not move customers to the more profitable CATIA? From 2010 through 2015, Daimler dropped CATIA for Dassault's competitor Siemens NX. That's a loss of about 7,000 licenses. Honeywell Aerospace more recently has also abandoned their CATIA licenses in favor of NX. With the way Honeywell runs, they probably had a round of layoffs, decided to switch to NX, had a furlough, migrated the files, and then cut everyone's benefits. I'm glad I didn't end up working there. Nevertheless, those are just the migrations I know about. Not only does CATIA have less market share than SolidWorks, it's dropping in favor of its toughest competitor. Is all hope gone? I think not. Dassault has released a new offering. The 3D Experience platform is a modeler embedded in a browser. If you're thinking that is direct competition with Onshape, you're right. It's based on the CATIA kernel, it has a number of apps, and it's accessible from a lot more devices. What Dassault needs to do is prove the pros of the 3D Experience platform outweigh the cons over SolidWorks, and that is what we will examine in the next few weeks. So is SolidWorks going away forever? I don't know. At least not for the next few years, but we will have to see.